Hi everyone. This video contains the explanation of C program to generate n prime numbers by defining is prime function. Prime numbers are natural numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. This program contains two header files. The first one is stdio.h and the other one is conio.h. Next statement is void is prime within bracket int. This is called as function prototype declaration. This statement will instruct the compiler to search for a function by name is prime within the program, which may be defined after the main function. Next we are having the main function, which comprises the statements as follows. Since we need to generate n prime numbers, we need a variable to store the value of n. For that reason, we declare a variable called n. Next, we can use the scanf function to read the value for n. Now we can call isPrime function to generate n prime numbers with the help of the statement isPrime within bracket n, wherein we are passing the value of n as an argument to the function isPrime. With the help of step-by-step compilation process, let us see how does this program work. The main logic of this program is as follows. We will print prime numbers with the help of a variable I, which is initially set to 2. As per mathematics, 1 is a natural number, but not a prime number. For that reason, we need to consider 2 as the starting number for the prime number series. The main logic of this program is to check whether I is divisible by any other number than itself, which can be done with the help of if statement. That is, if within bracket I modulo j is equal to 0, which will be true only when I is divisible by j, which is incorporated within for loop. If I modulo j is equal to 0 is true, then the flag is set to 1, which is initially set to 0. Whenever the flag is set to 1, the value of I is not printed as output. Now you can rewind the video and see the values of each and individual variables during the execution of the program. Thank you for watching the video.